To lob or not to lob? That's the question. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. Is the lob part of your pickleball shot arsenal? If it is, put yes in the comments below. If not, put a no. Before we start talking about the lob, I'll bet you're a savvy pickleball player and you want to stay informed on all things pickleball, especially for the player over 50, from gear to fitness to the latest in instruction. Simply hit the subscribe button and then the bell notification. That way you'll know whenever I post a new video. I'm often asked if lobbing is a good tactic in pickleball. And like most things pickleball, the answer is it depends. The lob is used to move your opponents away from the non-volley zone. There are two types of lobs. A defensive lob is hit primarily from the baseline while your opponents are at the non-volley zone. An offensive lob is when all four players are at the non-volley zone, usually engaged in a dinking game, and one team uses the lob to pull the other team back into a defensive position. What's important to know about the lob is that it's a risky shot. If you hit it too short, you've gifted your opponents with an overhead that they can now smash at your feet. If you hit it too long, you've either lost your serve or you've lost a point. And that's relatively easy to do because it's not a very long court. However, like all things pickleball, there's exceptions to the rule. I once watched a 4-0 level women's doubles team at a pretty large and very competitive tournament win gold medals based almost exclusively on their ability to lob and then defend the lob. Eventually, their opponents got so frustrated that they either hit their overheads into the net or out. So yes, at a certain level, a defensive lob may help you to win points or to win games. But the higher you go in levels, the greater ability those players have to run down the lob, to hit overheads, and to defend against a defensive lob. There is one other time that the defensive lob comes to mind and is actually probably your best chance to keep the ball in play. When your opponents have pulled you off the court and you need extra time to recover, a high, soft lob, while difficult to hit on the run, may be your best option. To answer the question that we started with, to lob or not to lob, well, there are a few situations in which you need a defensive lob. It's not a tactic that I would recommend using regularly. Now the offensive lob, the one that you use when all four players are in a dinking rally at the non-volley zone, that's a completely different story. Make sure you join me in the next video where I'm going to show you how and when to use it effectively. In the meantime, check out these resources to help you improve your overhead and to defend against the lob. If you got value from this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, or better yet, share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.